Hello my students, this is Ms. Shurooq, Social Studies teacher. Today we will take lesson 2, chapter 5. The title of the lesson is Factors Affecting the Location of Industries. Let's start the lesson.
Let's talk about the factors affecting the location of industry. So there are 5 factors: raw materials, power, land, transport and communication, labors. Let's talk about raw materials. Industries that use large quantities of bulky materials tend or prefer to be located near to the source of these materials because raw materials were expensive to be transported. For example, coal. Old heavy industry needed coal and so had to locate on or near coal fields. Why? Because coal was expensive to be transported. Okay? Number 2, power. In the past, industry had to locate right beside its power source. For example, water power and coal. When water power was the main source of energy, industries had located right beside rivers. Okay? Land. In the past, factories often built around the center of towns and cities. Why? Because workers could walk to the factory. So they built the factories around the center of the towns and cities to let the workers get to the factory easily. Number 4, transport and communication. All industries need a good transport system to permit the importing of raw materials and the exporting of finished products. For example, all industries need airports, motorways, railways. So, to make the industry strong. So the industry is going to be stronger in this way. Labors. In the past, industries need large and skilled labor force. They need a lot of people to work in the past. Okay, now let's talk about industry today. Today, materials are easier and cheaper to be transported due to the modern transport technology. Because of technology, materials are easier and cheaper to be transported. 2. Today, the electric power and oil sources are distributed more easily. 3. Today, workers can use a variety of transportation to get to the factory. Number 4, today, motorways, main roads, airports, and railways are important to any industry. Number 5, today, mechanization has reduced the requirements of a large skilled workforce. Okay, now let's talk about the word industrial regions. Industrial region or industrial area refers to a region with extremely dense industry. The major industrial regions of the world are Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe, Eastern Asia. So this is our lesson for today, guys. So please study this lesson very well.